Asking for a feedback.
Hi, Mark. Do you have a few minutes?
Hi, Anna. Yes, sure. How can I help?
I wanted to check in and talk about the goals we discussed last time.
Of course. I'm glad you came by.
I've been working on taking more responsibility, especially with the new project.
Yes, I've noticed that.
I tried to be more independent and make decisions on my own.
And how did that feel?
At first, a bit stressful, but now it feels more natural.
That's completely normal.
I also took the lead in the last team meeting.
You did, and you handled it well.
Thank you. I was nervous, but I prepared carefully.
It showed. You were clear and well organized.
That means a lot to me.
Overall, I see real progress.
I'm happy to hear that. I've been putting in a lot of effort.
And it's paying off.
Is there anything I should improve or focus on more?
One thing would be communication with other departments.
Okay. Could you explain that a bit more?
Sometimes it helps to share updates earlier, even if things are not finished yet.
That makes sense.
It builds trust and avoids confusion later.
I'll work on that.
Good. Aside from that, you're on the right track.
That's encouraging to hear.
As we discussed before, this kind of progress is important.
Yes, I remember.
If you continue like this, we can move forward with the salary review.
That's great news.
Let's aim for the end of this quarter.
That sounds fair.
I appreciate your attitude and your openness to feedback.
Thank you. I really value these conversations.
Me too. They help everyone.
I feel more confident about my work now.
And that confidence shows.
Thanks for your time, Mark.
You're welcome, Anna. Keep up the good work.
I will. Have a good day.
You too.